international educator.
Hello learner, welcome to our Geography Revision Lesson 8, and today we are going to look at the topic Forestry. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to answer the questions correctly. So we have the following questions. The first one is define agroforestry, which gives us 2 marks. The second one is outline 3 reasons why afforestation is encouraged in Kenya, and that should give us 3 marks. The third question, that is B part 1, it says compare forestry in Kenya and Canada under the following subheadings. So these are the subheadings. The first one is tree harvesting. The second one is transportation. And when you look at those parts or subheadings, each of them carries 2 marks. Then we have explain 2 problems facing forestry in Kenya. So those are the questions that we are going to look at today, so that at the end of the lesson, you should be able to answer the questions correctly. Now, let us look at the questions. The first one is define agroforestry. So we have to look at this question to understand what it means first before answering it. Here, the term define has been used. And define means to give the nature of something, and in this case we are giving the nature of agroforestry, or the nature of the term agroforestry. And when you're doing so, you must write a clear statement. You're not supposed to list your answers, but you're supposed to write a clear statement. Another thing is, when you look at this question, define agroforestry, there's also another question that is similar to this, and that is, what is agroforestry? Both of these questions require the same things for you to earn 2 marks. Now, when looking at this question, what is agroforestry? The answer is agroforestry is the growing of trees and crops on the same piece of land at the same time. When you look at that text, it is highlighted because those 2 parts are very key. Same piece of land at the same time. So the key phrase is same piece of land at the same time, because there's a possibility you can be using the same piece of land, but now you grow crops, the next time you grow trees. That is not agroforestry. But it means that you're growing trees during a certain period of time, and the crops are also on the same piece of land at that particular time. That is what it means by agroforestry. So don't just say that agroforestry is the growing of trees and crops on the same piece of land. That will be wrong. You will not score the 2 marks, because it is on the same piece of land at the same time for it to be agroforestry. And then the other question, outline 3 reasons why afforestation is being encouraged in Kenya. Outline 3 reasons why afforestation is being encouraged in Kenya. You must know the terms that have been used in this question for you to be able to answer it adequately. The first word that has been used in the question is outline. What does it mean by outlining or to outline? It means to give a general description of something showing only the important features.